Be honest. Have you ever walked into your room and thought, whew, this space needs a glow up, but your bank account said, not today? Good news, you don't need a demolition crew. You just need direction. I've got 5 little design switches that change everything. And fair warning, step 2 will have you yelling, wait, I already had a glow up hiding in my own house. So let's go. Today's episode is about glow up your room without starting over. 5 simple high impact switches you can start this week. No drama, no dust, just results. Hey y'all, hey. I'm Trenell, your future best friend and or auntie, depending on your gym placement. On Mondays, we cover fashion and confidence. On Thursdays, we cover interiors because your life, your look, and your home should all vibe together. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Around here, we do cheeky plus loving, tough love, that is, with a soft landing and always a little education to go with your inspiration. We're not starting over today. We're switching smarter. So let me tell you a little story about my grandmama. My grandmama, Miss, I can make a miracle with 2 bobby pins and a prayer. On Saturday morning, she'd walk into the living room real quiet, tilt her head like a stylist, assessing a client, and then, baby, she'd shop her whole house. She'd snatch the lamp from the bedroom, grab a throw from the den, slide a chair from the dining room, and I swear those chairs had wheels on it, the way she moved them around, and swap 2 little accessories. Then she'd change the throw, bring in different lighting, fluff 1 pillow, and I promise you, the whole room felt brand new. As a child, I thought she had magic. As an adult, I realized she had eyes for impact. She knew you don't always need new, you just need right. What's the last thing you rediscovered at your home that suddenly felt perfect in a new spot? Tell me in the comments. I love a comeback story. So step 1, crown a hero. Let one piece carry the room. Pick one hero, whether it's a sofa, it could be a rug, chandelier, or headboard, and let everything else support that star. How to do it? Choose your hero by function plus vibe. What do you use most? What sets the tone? Support with smart saves like thrifted end tables, new lampshades, pillow covers, baskets, or maybe even trays. Repeat one texture or finish 3 times, such as a basket, a tray, or maybe even a lamp that all have the same textures. Your room reads intentional, not random. Here's a mini recipe for you. Calm Luxe Living could be mid-price neutral sofa, plus 2 thrifted wood end tables, plus a fresh lampshade and velvet pillows. Serene bedroom, a simple headboard, a crisp white bedding, 1 statement pillow, or even a linen curtains hung high and wide. Here's some pitfalls though. Too many tiny things looks cheap. Trade 3 smalls for 1 large moment. Don't pick a neon sofa if your word is calm. Let the pop live in a pillow. What's your hero going to be this weekend? Is it the sofa, the rug, the light, or maybe even the headboard? Drop it in the comments so I can cheer you on. Step 2, shop your house first. This is my favorite part. We talked about this before. Before you spend, pull, paint, and place. And yes, I told you we talked about this before. We dug in deep on this in episode 1 and 5. Today is your fast pass refresher. Spend 20 minutes house shopping. Grab a laundry basket or any kind of basket. Sweep the house for frames, vases, pillows, throws, trays, books, or lamps. And then lay it all out and build a mini story. Tall plus flat plus soft. A lamp or a vase plus book or tray, and then a plant or cloth. And then remix it in the target room. the new lamp here, the throw there, swap the art, slide the chair, and hello, there's new energy. So here's some transformations for you. You could take the dresser and then turn it into a TV stand. You can paint it, change the knobs, add art, and there's instant polish. A new item that, well, actually it looks new, but it's still the old dresser. You could take an old frame and make it new. Make it like a new art piece. Paint the frame. Print out a black and white photo. And there you have it. The blanket ladder. You can use that as a towel station for the bathroom or a guest room. Most of y'all already have everything you need. It's just in the wrong room. Pull it, place it, and praise it. What did you just realize you can move today? Tell me so I can be nosy and proud at the same time. Step 3, light like a pro. Create a lighting triangle. 3 light sources at different heights. So your room has depth, mood, and face card energy. Do this. A table lamp should be eye level when you're seated. A floor lamp feels vertical. Overhead or wall, you want that as an accent, okay? Choose warm white bulbs so you look like yourself, not a DMV headshot. Use plug-in sconces if you can't hardwire. And hide the cords, please hide the cords. Dim where possible. Light should wrap, not interrogate. So here's some fast wins for you. Replace harsh bulbs with warm. Move 1 lamp to the opposite corner. And it's instant balance. So shade swap. You can soften everything when you do that. Lighting is makeup for your room. Highlights, lowlights, and soft blends. No harsh lines, no patchy spots. Which lamp are you moving tonight? Table, floor, or sconces? Here's step 4. Elevate the lines, like the curtains plus the verticals. That's instant luxe. Hanging your curtains high and wide is the easiest fake reno trick on earth. Here are curtain rules that never miss. You want to mount rods 4 to 8 inches above the window or to the ceiling if you're feeling brave. Extend the rods 8 to 12 inches beyond each side so panels don't block the light. Panels should kiss the floor. A tiny break or perfect skim, no high waters. If panels are skimpy, double up or add a ring clips to lengthen it. Steam or iron them. Wrinkles read dorm, not designer. Some other vertical cheats are tall plants in a bare corner. Lean in a mirror to pull the eyes. Artwork that's hung at a consistent center line around 57 to 60 inches. Half of y'all small room problems are low lines. Lift the eyes, lift the vibe. By a show of hands in the comments, who's been hanging curtains like capris? We're fixing that today. So step 5, impact moves. Hit the first glance zones and daily touch zones, which is where eyes land first and hands land most. Here's a short, impactful checklist. To create the mirror bounce, you want to place opposite a window to multiply the light. This is what I love the most, scent and sound. So you want to do a clean burnt candle plus a soft playlist. Trust me, your nervous system will thank you. Do a surface edit. 1 tray, 1 stack of books, 1 soft things. Curate, don't clutter. If your coffee table is auditioning for a yard sale, edit it down. 3 good things beat 9 randoms. So which impact moves are you doing first? Tell me so I can shout you out. All right, so here's a quick wrap up. Step 1, crown a hero and build around it. Step 2, shop your house, pull, paint, and place. Yes, you already own the magic. So step 3, lighting triangle equals mood plus depth. You want that I look good energy. Quick question. Does your candle love you back, or is it giving you a headache? Maybe even smoke signals? Not here. My Serenity Interiors by Trenell candles are 100% coconut soy with wood wicks that softly crackles. No toxins, no drama, just vibes. A good smelling home is non-negotiable. Your home should bring you serenity, not anxiety. Serenity is the new love language. Now let's get back to the episode. Step 4, high and wide curtains and vertical lines equals instant luxe. Step 5, hit impact zones. Here's the benediction. Style, choose one elevate move and one ease move today. Elevate and hang those curtains high and wide, or swap a lampshade. Ease, add a soft throw or warm bulb. So here's your soul. Make your home a soft place to land. Clear one surface, light something gentle, and tell yourself, I deserve rooms that love me back. Then breathe and enjoy your space. If you smiled, learned, or even felt seen today, tap like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next drop. And don't keep this to yourself. Share this with at least one friend. Then when you visit each other's home, you can start a friendly debate on who nailed the vibe this week. Visit us on all social media platforms by clicking the link in our bio. Until next time, you guys, toodle!